Hello students, in this video we are going to do the project Smart Light with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that we need LDR sensor, LED, jumper wires and Arduino Uno from our kit. To do the project we need to create the circuit as per this schematic diagram. Connect the LDR sensors DO pin to Arduino pin D9 and connect the LED pin to Arduino pin D3. Connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Uno using Arduino IDE as shown in our Arduino IDE tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to see if the light intensity is low, then the LED will turn on, and if the light intensity is high, then the LED will turn off. This project is used in smart lights that can adjust brightness based on natural light levels. Thank you. See you in the next session.